Students, let us start with the preparation of water for injection. Here you can see the distillation unit which is responsible for the preparation of water for injection. So let us see the one by one all the parts of this unit. So this one is the inlet of potable water, and through that the potable water is inserted over here, and this is nothing but the condenser tube and condenser jacket. Then here you can see that the constant level attachment is maintained by seeing this stainless steel component. Okay, and hereafter you can see that through that there is a one heating coil. This is continue by applying the electric supply through, and ultimately the solution inside of this container or potable water inside of this container, they get heated and steam get generated. Then you can see this is the lid of this particular jacket or a container, and then after that inside of that there is a heating coil, and then this particular water get heated. After that heating, the particular water is going to be condensed, and we will get the outlet of apyrogenic distillate water through this filtrate. Through this pipe you can see that we will get the distillate water, and this is nothing but the water for injection. We will have to discard that water for injection and then again rinse that particular water for injection. Thank you.